Right, we have got some mad... Oh, I don't even know what it is. We've got some intestines, and a whole bird, literally a whole bird, chopped up. I don't know if you can see it properly, but no. Yeah, it's mad. It's mad. Well, there's the head. I don't know. Very bony. The skin, it actually doesn't taste bad. I'll give them that. The skin is alright. I don't know what bird it is. Yeah, it's alright. As you do always with everything. Bit of rice. But yes, all of that was, well, I got a whole chicken, some rice, and some intestines. I'm not looking forward to that, for £3.20, I think, or £3.40. Struggling to get this rice open. There we are. Standard rice. Oh, I still got some napkin. Now, this is some inside of an animal. I think it's oh, I don't even know. Spicy. Very spicy. Doesn't really taste of anything. Guess that. Yeah, mad. Mad. So,